I'm going to say something that may make your parents very angry, but I'm saying it anyway because I want you to be wealthy. In 2026, for the average African youth, a university degree is becoming one of the most expensive scams you will ever fall for. Here we are, spending 4 to 6 years or 4 to 7 years chasing a 1990s paper while the world is moving at the speed of AI. But here's a disclaimer. If you're studying medicine, law, or engineering, make sure you stay in school because we need you. But for everyone else, if you're waiting for a graduation ceremony before you start your life, you're already left behind. Today, I want to show you the parallel path, how to honor your parents, but how to also build a life that a degree may not be able to guarantee anymore. In Africa, we have a problem. We confuse respect with results. The truth is this, our parents want us to have a degree because in their time, it was the path to the middle class. But in our time, it's just a receipt to money spent. Now, whether it's money well spent or money not well spent will be up to you to decide. You're not just a student, you're a startup. That is how I want you to begin to look at yourself starting now. Startups don't wait for permission, they solve problems. And the truth is that the global market pays for problems solved, not the certificates that you have. It's time that you wake up, time that you stop studying for a job and start preparing yourself to make an income, and an income that can sustain you and sustain your family, hopefully sustain your extended family as well. So how do you build this parallel path? You must skill stack. While you're getting that degree to keep your parents happy, you must also learn and build a dollar denominated skill in the background. The first step is that you need a global platform. I recommend the Google Professional Certificate on Coursera. They are recognized in US and Europe. I've put the link for data analytics course in the description below. It's one of the fastest ways to start earning in dollars from your bedroom in Africa. You can also check product management, virtual assistance, project management. Content creation has also become a gold mine. The thing is, most of these skills work individually, but you can also find a way to combine them. Say you become a content creator that makes content on product management. Maybe teaching others about the skill or teaching organizations about how to position themselves to reach the right client, how to position their product to get the right client. So I don't want you to think that once you get that one skill, it's one and done. No. The second step is to use Udemy to learn the dirty work. Learn the software. If you're a designer, I want you to learn Figma. If you're using data, learn Python. I'll drop some of the links in the description box, so check it out. I will not drop some of them. So if you don't find the link there, just go online and search for them. I don't want you to just be a graduate. I want you to be a specialist because that is your African advantage. People ask me, does this actually work? And I say yes. A very big, mighty, huge yes. Stop waiting for permission to chase your dreams. For me, I didn't wait for a publishing house to tell me that I was a writer. No, I took my stories and I published them myself. My identity as an African writer is now an asset that can earn while I sleep. I didn't need a PhD to write. I needed a laptop, maybe some internet data, and the courage to hit publish. You can check out my books in the description box below if you're interested as well. And there's a silent fear in your heart. I know the fear. You're asking yourself, how do I tell my parents that I'm studying UI UX instead of law in the university? The answer is that you don't tell them with words. You tell them with evidence. Because what? You have to show working. When you show your parents a credit alert that is worth more than a junior lawyer's monthly salary, guess what? The argument ends. Because success is the only language that does not need explanation. Like it doesn't need any translation like that at all at all. Don't fight them. Don't argue. Just show them your workings. Just out-end the degree. And I must state also that I'm not saying that you should not study for your degree, please, or that you shouldn't go to the university. But don't think that because you're in the university, that's the end all be all. That the degree you're earning is the end of everything, the beginning and the end. No, I want you to use the opportunity. Every single break that you have, every single chance that you have, every single avenue that you have, use it to upskill, use it to learn a skill. Dive in dollar denominated fields so that even while you're in school, you'll be building your portfolio, and while you're in school, you can even start earning. You may also be asking yourself, is it possible for me to be in school and be doing a side hustle and be earning money? Yes, it's very possible, 159% possible. Many people have done it and many people will continue to do it. I myself, I did it. It's just that at that time I didn't learn like a dollar denominated skill, but I did business in school. that while I was in school, I was doing that side also, and I was earning money while I was in school. Several people have done it, and I wish that I even knew about so many dollar-denominated skills that I could have learned then, and then I'll be earning. Probably now I'll be a big babe. I'll be glowing. I'll be shining. I'll be glowing. You can learn a skill. You can learn a physical skill, but I would advise that you should learn a tech skill. Learn a dollar-denominated skill. Check out fields that AI will not displace. Fields that instead of AI displacing, it will instead enhance those fields. So start learning about them. Start upskilling in those areas. Okay, stop waiting for permission and be among those who have chosen to take their life into their own hands, to take their growth, take their financial future into their own hands. Like, money no dey reject person now. Don't you want to be in school and just be earning money? I mean, your parents will even be happy when they find out that you're in school and you're earning 250,000 naira, or you're earning $300 or $500. You don't need their money. Instead, you may even be the one sending money to your younger ones. Don't you think that they'll be happy? Let me tell you, they'll be happy. They'll be what? They'll be happy. The truth is that the African Renaissance is coming. In fact, it is here, but it is only for those who are brave enough to upskill. My dears, don't let the 19th century educational system till your 21st century earning potential. And you must understand that the world is changing, and it's changing fast. Let this be your wake-up call. There are so many dollar-denominated skills out there, and a lot of them have no barriers to entry, like customer service representative, some service, customer chat support. You don't need to say anything, you just need to be online to chat, to help the client. So what are you waiting for? I wish I'd seen a video like this when I was in school. I'm gonna just be honest with you, I'm not gonna be here right now. Hey God, but I've made so much money. Pick one course from the list below, or just any course that you think that you have interest in, and spend 1 hour a day studying it. I'm telling you, in 6 months you are not going to recognize yourself. And you know what? I want you to comment below, I am taking the plunge. Comment, I am taking the plunge, if you're going to do something today, if you're going to start upskilling today, if you're going to start thinking and researching and looking for that dollar-denominated skill that you start studying. Comment, I am taking the plunge, in the comment section. And for this video, I'll make sure that I reply to every comment that says I am taking the plunge. If you've done that, I want you to click the subscribe button and join the tribe. And if you're worried about how to upskill, then I want you to watch this video. We've come to the end of this video. I know it's so short, but the message is simple and it's straightforward. Okay, so there's no need to spend too much time saying a lot. I just say I should come and tell you. I just say I should come and tell you, because why would I keep this very important information from you? I just say I should come and tell you. So you can also write thank you to me in the comment section. I'm very grateful. So guys, don't forget to like, share this video to your siblings, to your friends, to your neighbors who are still students, who are not even students, who are in their 30s, their 40s. Because any day you wake up is your morning. Any day you wake up is your money. Any day you wake up, you can start. You're not too old to start. You're not too old to reinvent your life. So send it to your friends, your families, and make sure you subscribe to this video. Of course, I want you to like it as well. Drop a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Until next time, please remain your most authentic self. And I want you to remember that I am rooting for you. In this life, I'm waiting for you and myself. Only two of us, just me and you. So I'll see you in the next video, guys. Take care.